Alright friends, I have a very interesting question on screen for you, and this is one question of profit and loss that you can expect as a grade 7 or a grade 8 student in your Olympiads too. And the question says that the selling price, Mohan is selling an article for 2817 rupee 50 paisa. Alright friends, a very interesting question over there on screen for you. This is a question pertaining to cost price and selling price, this profit and loss concept. And over here they have provided you the selling price, they have provided you the profit percentage. I'm quickly going to read the question for you. It says, Mohan purchased an article and sold it for 2817 rupee 50 paisa. So the selling price they have provided it and earned 15% on the cost price. Okay, the profit percent they have given to you as 15%. What is the cost price of an article? So those who have done the concept, you all know one thing over there, that if I apply straightforward formula, that if I do selling price times 100 upon 115, that is 100 plus profit percent, I can directly get the answer over there. So let's try. The first option they have given to you is 2500 rupees. I will not go for this because इस पे 15% if I calculate, I cannot get something in पैसा. 15% करूँगा तो मेरा exactly amount आ जाएगा. So मेरे को तो selling price कुछ पैसा में चाहिए. So ये option मेरा cancel हो गया. Then we have one option is 3315 rupees. This cannot be cost price because profit का situation है, तो cost price SP से कैसे ज़्यादा हो सकता है. Then we have an option of 2540. अब देखो यहाँ पे कितना important है fractions का concept. Looking at this, if you, I have to just see. Okay, I'm getting 3/2. अभी ये भी reduce हो जाएगा. यहाँ पे भी मेरा profit कुछ भी पैसे में नहीं आएगा. So this option is also gone, and we straightforward have the option is 2450. We don't even need to solve this part. And elimination wala portion is very important for competitive exams. Thank you. Hopefully you have enjoyed this video.